Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we got Toby here, and Toby wanted to start his own little channel, so I told him he can do it on my show here. And his show is called what? Come Cook With Me.
Come Cook With Me.
And what did you make the last time?
Scrambled eggs with onions and green peppers.
And all those ingredients came from where?
In the garden.
And where did the eggs come from?
The chicken coop.
Right, the chicken coop. All right, today, why don't you show them what you're going to make today?
Today I'm going to make pizza with
Tortilla shells.
tortilla shells. So my ingredients is sausage, green peppers and onions, pizza sauce, amazing cheese, and pepperoni.
Okay, so let's take them through the first step. And the first step, we're going to combine these two and cook them together in the skillet, right?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
going to put this sausage in this pan. And then with the onions and green peppers, you just dump it in there.
And what are you doing it? You're going to mix it all together?
Yeah, mix it all together.
Okay.
I'm going to cook this for sausage, the green pepper, onions to get crispy, so it'll be good that way.
Okay, so we're going to heat it up and warm it up all together, right?
Yeah. You heat up this grill for grilled cheese, and if you make it for a pizza, heat up your grill for 350. And then I'm going to show you how I make this pizza thingy. You spread the sauce around, and then
Go ahead and make two of them at the same time. I put a little more on it. Gotta have pizza sauce, huh? Oh, there you go.
so you put a bit of cheese on here. So when you put the toppings on, it can melt easier.
Don't be afraid to get a little bit of cheese on there. Get a handful. There you go. Spread it around. Okay. Now what are you going to add?
Now you add your sausage and green peppers.
Your what?
Sausage,
Sausage and green peppers.
onto the pizza.
Spread it around. Put some more on there. Yep. That's good. Gotta have a lot of sausage and stuff, don't we?
Yeah. So the next thing is pepperoni. You can also add whatever ingredients you want. So I'm going to put 5 on each corner. And the one in the middle. And then you add some cheese. Onto the pepperoni.
I'd put some more cheese on that. Man, everybody likes cheese. Yeah, put it on there and spread it around. There you go. You can use your fingers and spread it around. You're the one eating it. Alrighty.
And then you do the pepperoni on this side. We add more cheese on to the other side.
And what's the cheese do for it all?
The cheese is to make it cheesy.
And to what? Hold it all together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it all together. You scrape this from the cutting board, put it on here, just like this, to heat it up. Then you put the next one next to it.
Put them close together because we got to put the lid on. Yep, don't use your fingers. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
All right.
Now you're going to put the lid on.
No. The top.
Oh,
Yep.
hang on. And this one is for the top to make it heat better. And this one goes on that one. Then you press it down to make it stay better. And then you put the lid on to make it stay together so that the cheese can melt faster. When that is cooking, I'm gonna make my father and mother some pizza thingies too. So you grab two again. Put some salsa.
Pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce.
The other one. Alright, don't you think we should check on those others on the griddle right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check those.
So you carefully open the lid.
Alright. Let me show you how to flip this one, and you can do one, okay?
Okay.
So you kind of look underneath, lift it up, and it can cook some more, okay? A couple more minutes. That's how you do that. Okay, go ahead and put it back on. Good idea. So, alright, let's see about flipping those, okay? Let's see if you can flip those without flipping them off the table. Alrighty. So what I want you to do, I'm going to show you how to do that one. Put this underneath, kind of, and then flip it over like that, okay?
Okay. Shove the spatula in this area. And then flop
Good
it
job.
down.
And then put it close together again. And put the lid back on for about 3 minutes.
Now we're gonna check this to make sure it's okay.
Oh, oh, oh. Put your hand on it. Okay, looks good. Okay. Oops, let's get it off together. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Alright, go ahead and put the others on. Now use your spatula.
So you put the next one on for your dad. You gently put that down.
Put it in the middle. There you go. Put your tops on. No, your tops. There you go. Press it down, but this time use the spatula. That way you don't burn the tip of your finger. Oh, not too hard. Yep, there you go. All right, Toby, good job.
And then you put the lid back on so the cheese could be cheesy on these ones. It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Safe to eat?
Hopefully, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for joining me in this kitchen again for Toby's cooking show. Thank you and have a good day.